Hello, and welcome to a new episode of this JPAD Modeller tutorial series. During this video, we will explore the contents of the main input data section. We will focus on the aircraft container, that is the base layer from which the modeling process starts. First, you have some high-level data, concerning the aircraft name, category, and the type of regulations. Then you have the JPAD Modeller aircraft container, that stores all main infos related to its subcomponents. You will find the absolute positions of each subcomponent in the body reference frame. And you may find also references to input data files, one for each specific component. In JPAD Modeller, the aircraft is in fact a modular data structure, where the main container stands besides the definitions of its subcomponents. This structure is very flexible, and avoids the need to handle a huge amount of data in one single data container. In other words, an aircraft in JPAD Modeller is just a combination of different components. For some components, like landing gears and engines, positions are not assigned in the body reference frame, but in a relative reference frame, which refers to the mounting component selected from the related drop-down menu. Speaking of positions, the aircraft input section allows you also to link the position of a component to the position of another component. The latter is named mounting component. For instance, the position of all lifting surfaces can be specified as mounted on the fuselage. The position of each single engine can be specified as mounted on the fuselage, or on a specific lifting surface. This comes in handy when you want to update the aircraft geometry, preserving the relative component positioning. By clicking on the double arrow at the top of the aircraft section, you will open a new tab at the right of your screen. In this tab, you will be able to select between different 2D views of the full aircraft model. And you may also choose to save them in different file formats, by simply right-clicking on them. The lower part of this tab contains a data log, which will provide you with a summary of all aircraft-related data, including the infos related to each of its components. An example of aircraft data update will be the focus of some of the following videos of this tutorial series. The next video will demonstrate how you can configure the fuselage component in JPAD Modeller. See you there.